Hello everybody, my name is Avery Harris with Online Income. Today I wanted to show you how you can get a free Google Voice number. It's simpler than it used to be. You still need to have an existing phone service provider. You can't, for example, cancel your subscription with Sprint and just use Google Voice. Google Voice can be used as a second number along with your primary number. As you can see, there's a button that says Get Google Voice. Clicking on that will take me to the marketplace where I can go ahead and install Google Voice on my phone, or I could go to the marketplace on my phone and just download Google Voice from there directly. Before we start, if you have an ad blocker on, you're going to have to disable it right now to make sure that nothing is restricting the website pages from popping up. That happened to me for a second until I disabled mine. If you're not signed into your Google account already, then they'll ask you to sign in before you can go any further. As you can see, for me, it says, welcome to Google Voice, a free phone number to take control of your communication. By continuing, you accept the terms of service and privacy policy. So I go ahead and press continue. It says choose a Google Voice number and you search by the city or the area code. So after I saw my area codes, I decided to go ahead and pick one of the ones that were on the screen. Now I just had to verify the existing phone number. So I put in my primary phone number and they send me a code. I already had a Google Voice number associated with the phone, so I just went ahead and pressed claim. You're not going to have that problem if this is your first time setting up a Google Voice number with your phone. And as you can see, it says that I'm done setting up my Google Voice, so I can go ahead and start using it right now. And we're done. If for whatever reason you want to go ahead and delete your phone number, just go into settings. I'll make a separate video about the dashboard and settings that you could do with Google Voice later. So hopefully you liked the video, and if it was useful to you, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you feel like you want to share it. I will be coming back very soon with more videos. Thanks for watching.